Hey, hon.
Hi.
Hi, Jazz family.
Hi, Jazz. I'm reading a book.
What would you like to do for today's video?
For today's video?
Yeah. Do you have any ideas?
What is so stinky?
Hopefully it's not me.
Hey, your socks are here.
Hey, how are you throwing socks at me?
Because they're stinky.
Well, hon, that just means we have to do the laundry.
Oh, boy. I don't think I want to do the laundry today.
Why not?
I have to find the quarters and then drive to the laundromat. Nah, I think I'm going to stay in today.
I have an idea.
Oh, what's that?
Something you forgot about.
Is it the package? Well, it came. It came today?
Yes, it did.
Ooh.
Which means it's time for, you know what?
Unboxing.
Yay! Welcome to our next unboxing. You know we like to do unboxings.
Let's see if I could open it without scissors.
If you need help, let me know.
I don't think we'll have to return it, hopefully.
Why does it say Schwang Mi Yeah? Formable and portable touch sense
I'm gonna need scissors.
solution integration. Scissors?
Yeah, I can't open it. I thought I could.
Sure you don't want to try one more time?
A lot of tape.
You're almost there, huh? There you go. I mean, I would have really gotten it for you. However, I don't want to take away from your Wonder Woman moment.
What do you mean by that?
Well, your super strong moment. Where all this inner strength comes out and then you're able to defeat the bad guy, aka the tape box.
You're silly. Alright.
What do we have in there?
A plug.
A plug. Is it a video game?
A plug. Tube.
Tube?
And an empty box. Alright. We got a little washing machine. See how it looks like. Okay.
Oh, it's upside down.
Some square thing.
There you go.
Is this supposed to be a plate? Or a hat?
I'm hungry. Oh, there's nothing on it. Oh, this is the lid.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay. It's the little spinny thing. Looks like a salad bowl.
Yeah, right. So I got my plate. I got my salad bowl. I got my spaghetti noodle. And I'll probably be electrified if I eat it. Which means that meal is not for me.
Here's a little washing machine.
Wow.
It has four little legs.
Why does it look squished?
Because it's to store it earlier. Yeah, that's...
How do you put clothes in it if it looks squished like that?
I guess you pop it up.
Woo!
It's a bucket, guys. Now we're gonna have to put water in it. Now you could put the dirty socks in there. Yeah, I don't have to smell them.
I put them in. How come it's not washing?
Well, of course we have to put water and plug it in.
Ah. Which
Where...
is what the plug is for.
That's why you cannot eat the plug, Johnny.
Well, everybody, I'm sure you've seen some reviews on this machine or things that are like it. We bought this one. How much did it cost on? Roughly?
Believe? What?
So it's about $40, $39 or $37, something like that.
We'll put the details below.
Yeah, the details will be below for you to see.
It's so rubbery.
And yeah, let's get a feel on that. Oh yeah. Oh, no wonder it can squish. That's cool.
Squishy, squishy, squishy.
So we're gonna check it out, and we'll do maybe what, another video that shows